Huh? Oh gosh. The world's exploding. Felicity, what's going on? What is it? Did you hear it? What is it? What's happening? It's just thunder, Iris. It's okay. Oh god, it's just so scary. It's a wild beast. Relax. It's just Honey. She's afraid of the storm too. Oh yeah, I forgot about Honey. I'm sorry I called you a wild beast. It's so scary. I've never heard thunder before. Really? Wow. Do you think maybe I could sleep in your bed with you? I guess so. We can arrange some of the furniture. Oh, what was that scream? Iris is just afraid of the storm. Jeez, it's thunder. Haven't you heard thunder before? There you go. Let's try to get to sleep now. Thanks, Felicity. Oh my gosh! The power went out! Huh? It's dark in here. Oh gosh, Felicity, it's so dark. Whoa! I'm blind. Oh God, I can't see. Oh no, I can't see. Whoa! My scarf's choking me. Oh no! Iris, calm down. Just stay where you are. I'll get the candle. It's okay. I can't see. Relax. I'm getting the candle. Okay, I'm gonna light the candle. Just stay where you are. What the heck is going on? It's okay. Okay, we have a candle. Just clear the stuff off. Gosh, candle, you saved us, candle. Now just relax. It's okay. As long as we're in the house, the storm cannot hurt us. I guess so. Let's take the scarf off of you. I can breathe again. I don't think I'm going to be able to get to sleep again, especially if... Oh gosh, there's something breathing behind me. Oh gosh. Oh. Jeez, Iris, I was only kidding. Ow. Oh, I'm in pain. It's your fault. Why'd you have to scare me like that? Dude, it was just a prank. I mean, the power went out. I couldn't just not do it. Okay, listen everyone. The power went out, it's storming, and it's really dark out. We're gonna have to get along. I'm sorry, I didn't really think I would scare you. Sure, you're sorry. There's no way I'm getting to sleep now. Honestly, I don't think any of us are getting to sleep. Ghost stories! What? No way! Not after you scaring me. I'll never get to sleep ever in my entire life. Come on, it'll be perfect. We already have the ambiance set. I am the oldest anyway. I should be able to decide what we do. Okay, why don't we all just, like, make a nice place to lay down and relax, and then we can take turns doing things that we want to do. Yay! Okay, let's move some beds together. Oh, here's the other couch. Yeah. That's me. Get your blanket. Oh, this looks cozy. This is so nice.